Welcome back to BitcoinDorks, your daily source for all things crypto. Today, we're diving into some intriguing news straight from the world of Binance. Is Binance founder CZ's recent sentence the boost BNB needed all along? Let's explore. It's no secret that Binance Coin, BNB, has been one of the top performers in the crypto market in recent years. However, the cryptocurrency faced a setback when its founder and CEO, Changpeng Zhao, better known as CZ, was recently sentenced to 6 months in jail by a court in Hong Kong. Now, before we jump to conclusions, let's take a closer look at the situation. CZ's sentence stems from a legal dispute between Binance and Sequoia Capital, a venture capital firm, over an investment deal gone wrong. The court ruled that CZ had breached an exclusivity agreement with Sequoia Capital during negotiations for a funding round back in 2017. So, what does this mean for Binance and its native token, BNB? Well, on the surface, CZ's legal troubles might seem like cause for concern. After all, he is not only the face of Binance but also one of the most prominent figures in the crypto industry. However, some analysts believe that CZ's sentence could actually be a blessing in disguise for BNB. One theory gaining traction in the crypto community is that CZ's absence from the spotlight could provide Binance with the opportunity to refocus on its core business activities without the distraction of negative publicity. Over recent months, Binance has found itself under heightened scrutiny from regulators across the globe. This increased regulatory scrutiny has not only raised concerns among investors but has also prompted questions about the exchange's long-term viability and growth prospects. Binance, under CZ's leadership, has grown rapidly to become one of the largest and most influential cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. However, its rapid expansion has not been without its challenges. The exchange has faced allegations of lax regulatory compliance, accusations of facilitating money laundering and illicit activities, and concerns about its internal governance practices. Against this backdrop, CZ's decision to step back from the public eye could be seen as a strategic move to mitigate some of the negative publicity surrounding Binance. By removing himself from the forefront of the exchange's operations, CZ may be seeking to shift the focus away from his personal involvement in Binance's affairs and towards the broader institutional structure and governance mechanisms in place within the company. CZ's absence from the public spotlight could allow Binance's management team to take proactive steps to address the regulatory concerns raised by authorities. With CZ out of the picture, Binance may have greater flexibility to implement changes to its compliance procedures, enhance its regulatory oversight mechanisms, and strengthen its relationships with regulators around the world. CZ's temporary retreat from the limelight could provide an opportunity for Binance to focus on its core business objectives and strategic priorities. As one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, Binance operates a diverse range of products and services, including spot trading, futures trading, margin trading, staking, and decentralized finance, DeFi, platforms. CZ's temporary absence from the forefront of Binance's operations could create valuable space for the exchange to foster stronger relationships with its partners and stakeholders. Over recent years, Binance has been proactive in forging strategic partnerships with various industry players across the crypto landscape. These partnerships span a wide range of sectors, including blockchain projects, financial institutions, technology firms, and regulatory bodies. In the realm of blockchain projects, Binance has collaborated with leading protocols and decentralized applications, dApps, to integrate their tokens and services into its platform. These partnerships have enabled Binance to offer its users access to a diverse range of digital assets, liquidity pools, and decentralized finance, DeFi, opportunities. By deepening these relationships and exploring new avenues for collaboration, Binance could further solidify its position as a leading hub for digital asset trading and investment. Binance's partnerships with financial institutions and technology firms have been instrumental in expanding the reach and utility of its products and services. Through strategic alliances with banks, payment processors, and fintech companies, Binance has been able to facilitate fiat to crypto on-ramps, develop innovative financial products, and provide seamless payment solutions to its global user base. These partnerships not only enhance the accessibility and usability of Binance's platform but also foster greater trust and confidence among users and investors. Binance has actively engaged with regulatory bodies and industry associations to promote responsible and compliant practices within the crypto ecosystem. By participating in regulatory discussions, advocating for clear and fair regulations, and sharing best practices with industry peers, Binance has demonstrated its commitment to operating in a transparent and compliant manner. These efforts not only help to mitigate regulatory risks for Binance and its users but also contribute to the overall maturation and legitimization of the crypto industry. By nurturing these partnerships and building trust and credibility within the broader crypto ecosystem, Binance has the opportunity to enhance its reputation as a reliable and trustworthy platform for digital asset trading and investment. As CZ steps back from the public eye, Binance's management team may have the freedom to deepen these relationships, explore new collaboration opportunities, and reinforce its commitment to excellence in product quality, customer service, and regulatory compliance. In conclusion, CZ's absence from the spotlight could provide Binance with the space and flexibility to strengthen its relationships with partners and stakeholders across the crypto industry. By leveraging these partnerships to drive innovation, expand its product offerings, and uphold the highest standards of integrity and compliance, Binance is well positioned to enhance its reputation as a leading player in the global digital asset market. That's all for today's video.